This is going to be an honest review of Four Corners. I've read up about this place. You either hate it or you like it. $5 to get in per person. For us, that was $25. Everybody talks about how they're building a restroom. That's it. 3 years, that's what it looks like. They do have these porta ones down here, the pit toilets. Ones with the little turbo fans on there work, and they keeps a lot of the good smell out. Parking lot's pretty basic. It's kind of a moonscape. Matches everything else, blends in. Wow. So I guess people have been trying to put ashes here. That's kind of wiggy. You got a whole bunch of vendors, and then you've got the place. Here's the main plaque. So where am I now? I'm in New Mexico. We're in New Mexico. No, we're not. We're in Arizona.
I'm in Arizona.
And that's Utah. You gotta line up to do all the spots. Everybody does their little thing. There's all these booths. Limit of 3 photos only. You guys waiting? Okay. Coordination, organization. Very difficult with 5 people.
I know, right?
Especially with 3 boys. So I'm in Arizona, I'm in New Mexico.
I'm in Arizona and New Mexico.
Wait, whoa, 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 whoa. Everybody waits their turn. Here we go. I'm in Arizona, I'm in New Mexico, I'm in Colorado, I'm in Utah.
I'm in all. I'm in all.
Is the rock hot?
Gonna play Twister? What's the deal?
Come on.
I'm gonna be the one playing Twister here.
Okay. Oh yeah, do your dance, that's cool. Keep your hand in Colorado, dude. Try again, hurry up, hurry up. All right, get out. No, let's let them in.
Oh my god, I just
Very impressive.
All right, let's get in back line. Let these people go, and then we'll get. Yeah, go ahead. We'll get back in line. Give other people a chance. Holy caramba. That was very impressive.
And I got pictures.
Good job.
The thing was metal, so I had to do it quickly.
It's hot, huh? He's put his hands down on that hot.
You either like this kind of stuff or not. We're the family of the biggest spur, the biggest this, the biggest that. Yes, we're going to spend as much time as you desire. This is our end state before the hotel. All right, what are you going to do?
I just want a picture of the center.
No, you got to do something silly. And that shouldn't be hard for you.
Hurry up. Quick, quick, quick.
Hurry up.
Dog.
That's all you're going to do?
That's all he wants.
Okay.
What are you doing?
Alright.
All right, hurry up, hurry up.
Do push-ups, 4 states at once.
Yeah, you got to do 50.
Yeah, because it's 50 states.
And I'm getting video this time.
All right, now let's get back in line. Give other people a chance. Okay, hurry up. There's a line. Something family. Come on, hurry up.
Wait,
Yes.
yes, we go along.
All right.
I am in
Colorado.
I'm in New
All right.
Mexico.
Okay.
Everybody say Colorado.
All right, hurry up. Every one of the states has a granite thing here, so we're gonna go see all the granites. Which state did you trip in? Colorado? Dangerous state, Colorado. Oh, no, this is Utah. What state is this? Arizona? Oh, it's so confusing. Gotta look at the flags. New Mexico, Arizona. No, Colorado. Here's the New Mexico granite. Ironically enough, the desert in all 4 states looks very much the same. Desolate. There is camping or picnic areas also there. Camping and picnic areas in there. You can camp and picnic in your favorite state. Colorado, Arizona, New Mexico, or Utah. No drones. Well, I'm glad we didn't buy a drone because you couldn't fly it anywhere on this trip. State parks, national parks, any place where there's people, and Arizona. I think I got them all this time. So my evaluation of Four Corners. You either like this kind of goofy stuff or you don't. And if you don't, you're not gonna like this place. If you like to do goofy things, biggest ball of twine, that kind of stuff, you're probably gonna find it a little fun. And there's quite a few people here selling things. And there's all these booths. we came on a good day. Out here. Thumbs up and comments always appreciated. Thanks for watching.